I'm standing inside one of the most exclusive Las Vegas high-rise residences in the entire valley. 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2 terraces, and a strip in Mountain View that just doesn't quit. Most buyers shopping luxury in Las Vegas think they have to choose golf course mansion in Summerlin or strip view condo on the boulevard. They don't realize a true Las Vegas high-rise inside Summerlin even exists. That's exactly why this listing matters, and let me show you why. This home has direct access straight from the elevator. Come on in. Right when you walk in, you have a wine room here off to the right. There's a little wine cooler there. And then lots of cabinetry to display your favorite wines. And it has a glass door that you can keep shut so you can take a look at it. Let's head over to the left. So off to the left, you're gonna have this glamorous oversized kitchen with an island. This is really great for entertaining. It overlooks the living room and the dining room. You have Viking appliances, so really large stainless steel, the Tito's is there. And then you're gonna also have a Viking microwave along with the built-in oven. And then you're gonna also have 6 burners in the Viking stove along with your grill so you can do your pancakes, and then there's going to be additional ovens here. So Thanksgiving dinner, you will have all the ovens that you need. You have under cabinet lighting, and then you're going to have your pantry, which also has a lot of high shelves so you can store all of your electronics or anything like that. You're going to have glass insets in some of your cabinetry so you can display your china or your favorite, you know, whatever it's called. And then overlooking that, you have space for a really large dining table. This one has 6 chairs, but it's perfect round and it's right off of the kitchen, and it overlooks the great room. So the great room, this home has 2 terraces. This is gonna face southeast, so you're gonna have your sun rising, and you'll be able to have the strip view. And let me just show you out here. It's actually a good space. You could put some furniture out here. You're overlooking the Las Vegas Strip and this wash, but it's a little cloudy today, but you do have a great view of the Strip and also downtown. And then that is towards the west. Let's head back inside. All of the bedrooms in this home are gonna have their own bathroom, so in suites. This one's really great for a home office. It already has all of the built-ins overlooking the windows that bring in lots of natural light. Nobody can see up this high, so you actually don't even need window coverings. And then you have a perfect size walk-in closet that also has some really great storage cabinets, and it actually has locks. So if you have anything important that you need to lock up, into the bathroom, you're gonna have a really large shower that has a little bench there, and then lots of counter space. Some storage above the toilet. That's perfect for storing some toilet paper. If you ever have anyone that comes over and they're looking for the toilet paper, that would be a perfect spot. Let's go check out the other side. This home is just over 3,300 square feet, has 3 bedrooms with 3 full baths, and then there's a half a bath for your guests. It does have marble floors. It is truly a custom home in the sky. Check out the entrance, that medallia. And then you're gonna have your powder room here. And so with the powder room, this is where your guests will use the bathroom. And then you have another storage, oh, there's the toilet paper. So that's gonna be that. And then you have your laundry room. So this laundry room is gonna have a full-size washer and dryer, front loading. You have your utility door here that you take your trash out to, and then lots of cabinetry, so for storage. And then you're gonna have a sink so you can empty out the dirty mop bucket. That's what I use mine for. And then two bedrooms here. So let's head into this bedroom. This bedroom's gonna have an amazing view of the mountains. That is west. You can see Red Rock, you can see the Red Rock Casino, and this is our second terrace here. And then overlooking the fountains of Queensridge. This is a really great sized bedroom with the windows being floor to ceiling, which brings in a lot of natural light. And then you have custom closets, so good walk-in closet. Let me just open up this literally floor to ceiling sliding glass door that takes you out on the terrace. Something about palm trees in Las Vegas makes you feel like you are not in the desert anymore. So this is your view on the west side, and you have mountain and strip views. So in this bedroom, you're also gonna have a full bath. So shower, you got that bench there. Again, you have all of this lovely marble. And then heading into, I would call this the primary bedroom. Again, this is gonna have those same floor to ceiling windows, and there's electric shades that come down. And then this one also has a sliding glass door. So you can put a little table out here. Whoa, we're not gonna go out there. It's windy. And then this is gonna be more of a primary bathroom. So you're gonna have, I would say this is hers. So you have your vanity there, space for makeup, and then my favorite, a bath. I take a bath every night. And you're gonna have the shower. You have his sink there, so you can decide whose is cleaner. And then you have your toilet and a bidet. Whoa, and the bidet in there. And that also has a door on it, so you don't have to look at that. And then coming into the primary closet, you have a great amount of custom cabinetry, so you can keep everything nice and organized. Try this one list. Private elevator entry. The elevator opens directly into the unit. No shared hallway. 3 bedrooms, 3 full in-suites, and a powder room. Every bedroom in its own private suite. 2 terraces with opposing exposures, strip and mountain views in one home. Inside Summerlin, the best rated master plan in Las Vegas, top schools, Red Rock Country Club nearby, full service, Las Vegas high-rise, 24/7 concierge, the valet, gated, pool, gym, wine cellar, true lock and leave perfect for second home buyers, executives, and snowbirds. This Las Vegas high-rise is priced at $2 million. It's just under 3,500 square feet, has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a powder room. If you would like to set up a private showing, please reach out to me directly at the information below. My name is Amy Arbeli with the Arbeli team, and I will see you on the next showing.